I have a 2007 Chevy Uplander here. I'm trying to figure out how to change this light switch. I took this chrome piece out of here, just used my Gerber and pried right here. You can see the clips on either side. So I'm putting that up here on the dash. Now I think there's something down here that's holding it. It wiggles on the side there, but not on that side. So I'm going to look and see. Alright. Here I am underneath here. And I'm going to see what there is. Okay, so I used my trusty little Gerber. I pried right behind there. You can see it's popping out. I just used my Gerber, did some prying, got it out this far. Monkey around in there. Let's see if I can get these switches. There's a one-piece thing behind this bezel. Bezel, I don't know. These two knobs will come out, and this part here stays with the vehicle. I have the piece here. And there we go. So I need to get this in the spot of that one. And it looks like there's two clips on each side of this that would hold it in, and then a plug. So that is what I'm going to try to do. Well, the problem was not the switch. I tested the new one, did the same thing. I have high beams but no low beams. 2 car guys I work with told me that was the problem. So I put put the old switch back in, attach that. I'm going to button that back up. Put the new switch back in the box. I don't know if I can return it, but there it is anyway. My handy dandy Gerber, that's all I've needed for this project besides a little light. And put it back together and do some more web search, see what's going on, what I can figure out, dig into this problem some more. I can't be driving around with my brights on all the time, pissing off all the other drivers. Alright, anyway, I didn't find anything about this dash disassembly on YouTube, so maybe now there will be one so people know how to take that apart. Thanks!